Okay, yeah, fuel pump. Yeah, Dakwa guys. So today we're going to work on fuel pump. Welcome to the Highway Pro guys. Toyota regius 3RZ 3-liter engine petrol. So first thing first, tank down. If you wanna remove the fuel pump on this type of Toyota regius, you have to pull down the fuel tank like so, like this, and then after removing the fuel tank, there is no other way, there is no access on the top. You have to remove those pipes for you to pull out the tank, and then after pulling out, you have to remove your fuel pump. This is our fuel pump, the old one, malfunctioning one. So you have to yeah, please, if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like, comment. So this is our malfunctioning pump. We are going to put the new one, the old one out, and yeah, we have to replace it with the new one. It's a little bit hard to remove this tank, you know. This is the pump. So after replacing the new fuel pump, I'm going to test the pressure. Yeah, before I install back the tank. So I have to test the pressure like this, so that I won't have another attempt to remove this tank. Voila, the pressure is good, and I'm going to replace the tank back. Yeah, the oil is done, the engine is running, and thank you for watching Highway Pro. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, thank you. See you on the next.